Leaked slides confirm Nvidia's N1x chip is coming to Windows laptops, and it's packing Blackwell graphics. Qualcomm's Snapdragon X just got a massive threat. The documents, published by Liliputing and video cards, reveal a 20-core CPU paired with a Blackwell 2.0 GPU. This isn't a rumor anymore. It's real, and it changes everything for Windows on ARM. For years, Qualcomm dominated Windows on ARM with its Snapdragon X series. Microsoft pushed for ARM-based laptops to rival Apple Silicon. But now, Nvidia is entering the fray. The leaked slides, first spotted by WinFuture, show two chips, the flagship N1x with a 20-core CPU and a lower-tier N1. Both target thin and light laptops. The timeline? Early 2025 leaks ahead of Computex, where Nvidia and Microsoft are expected to make an official announcement. Here is the key number: 20 cores. That is the CPU count on the N1x flagship. Compare that to Qualcomm's Snapdragon X Elite, which maxes out at 12 cores. The leaked slides claim the N1x uses a mix of performance and efficiency cores, similar to ARM's big. Little architecture. But the real shocker? The Blackwell 2.0 GPU. That is desktop-class graphics in a laptop chip. Nvidia is not just competing, it is leapfrogging. But here is what nobody is telling you. Leak bench